Hi, I'm Robin, and today I want to show you how I prepared a base for a commission piece, a display piece from the company Blue. It's a beautiful mermaid that is kissing a pirate who's leaning over his ship. Ho, 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 the pirates like to roll until the mermaids come and find, I don't know. Let me introduce to you how I started the base work and the plinth for the base especially. And this is not about painting, just about the basing aspect and how I prepared the model by Blue. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. It's a very cool scene, and I'm quite lucky because I can paint it as I see it from my vision. So basically you would paint this as a pirate, and on the day when you kind of on daylight, when he kisses the mermaid and gets lured into the water or something. So this is like the basic thing that you will think of. My vision is different because I see it at night, kind of at night, where he's a little bit lit from the fire of like from lanterns on the ship behind him and also beside him. But then the water is quite dark, you can say, but there's a glow in the water. It's actually a magical glow coming from the mermaid and maybe other mermaids too. So this is how I want to paint it, rather dark at night but still with a magical glow. This would be so cool. And yeah, but I know from experience, if I now invest a lot of preparation on the piece, make everything smooth, make the plinth smooth, prepare the models properly, I will not have any issues while painting. So I can enjoy the paint job to the fullest without the need of cleaning something up afterwards. This is really important for me. I wasn't always like that. Sometimes I started too fast and just had to sand something afterwards when I was when the project was painted. And I can tell I've been there, done it several times. I've learned my lessons, and I rather have everything smooth and prepared before I start priming and painting on this piece. I will paint both models separately, so I will prepare both models separately. I will check back if everything works together on the base, and then paint base and the models individually. It just makes it easier. I'm not able to reach everything properly here. It's quite a large piece, so to say. Hey, I hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you very much for your support in watching, pressing thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. With your support, I'm able to continue what I do. If you enjoy my videos, feel invited to support me via my Patreon, where you can find additional tutorials, workflow, creative challenges, my artist diary, and tons of inspiration. Feel invited to support me as a channel member here on YouTube for €1.99 per month, or go full in and check back with my Patreon. All links below. Thank you very much for your support. Ho, 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 the mermaids like to roll, the pirates get lured into the depths of the water. Okay. Bullshit. I'm not a native tongue and I cannot sing. So whatever. Ho, 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 pirates like to roll.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up.